there is outright dishonesty by almost all parties that should have dealt with the matter. You are aware there have been even mercenaries from Europe. These mercenaries are from Europe. They are not from anywhere else. And you have never heard any party in Europe complaining about having their own people as mercenaries in this problem. They have always talked about other things, but they never came to that. So, and they keep, everything is Rwanda, Rwanda. What is, how do you address such a complex and a serious problem by just blaming actually the victim? I even hear, surprisingly, I always hear countries like Belgium talking about Rwanda, asking for punishments for Rwanda, but they are the guys who, they are part of the history, they are part of the problem.